आज की इस क्लास में मैं आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करना सिखाऊंगी। अगर आपको इंग्लिश रीडिंग करने में दिक्कत या परेशानी आती है तो आज की वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो में मैं हर एक वर्ड को अच्छे से पढ़ना सिखाऊंगी। तो आपको करना क्या है, इस वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की इस क्लास को। ONCE once, THERE there, WAS was, YOUNG young, BOY boy, NAMED named, ARJUN Arjun, WHO who, LIVED lived, IN in, SMALL small, AND and, PEACEFUL peaceful, VILLAGE village, WITH with, HIS his, PARENTS parents. Once there was a young boy named Arjun who lived in a small and peaceful village with his parents. अगर आप इस तरीके से इंग्लिश पढ़ने की प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो मात्र 15 दिन में इंग्लिश पढ़ना सीख जाओगे। ARJUN Arjun, WAS was, CURIOUS curious, KIND kind, AND and, HELPFUL helpful, BOY boy, WHO who, ALWAYS always, LIKED liked, TO to, HELP help, OTHERS others. Arjun was a curious, kind and helpful boy who always liked to help others. ONE 1 EVENING evening, he, WAS was, WALKING walking, HOME home, FROM from, SCHOOL school, WHEN when. One evening he was walking home from school when, he, NOTICED noticed, SOMETHING something, UNUSUAL unusual, LYING lying, UNDER under, LARGE large, TREE tree, NEAR near, THE the, ROAD road. He noticed something unusual lying under a large tree near the road. WHEN when, he, WENT went, CLOSER closer, he, SAW saw, SMALL small, WOODEN wooden, BOX box. When he went closer he saw a small wooden box, THE the, BOX box, LOOKED looked, very, very, old, and dusty, dusty, and it, had, tiny, tiny, golden, golden, lock, on, the, front. The box looked very old and dusty, and it had a tiny golden lock on the front. Arjun, Arjun, picked, picked, it, up, carefully, carefully, and looked. Looked. Arjun picked it up carefully and looked. Around, around, to, if, anyone, anyone, was, nearby, nearby, but, the, road, was, empty, around to see if anyone was nearby, but the road was empty. He, became, curious, about, what, was, inside, the, box, but, he, decided, not, open, it, because, he, knew, that, the, box, might, belong, to, someone, else. He became curious about what was inside the box, but he decided not to open it because he knew that the box might belong to someone else. Arjun, Arjun, carried, carried, the, box, the, village. Arjun carried the box to the village. Shop, shop, and, showed, it, to, the, shopkeeper, shop and showed it to the shopkeeper. He, asked, asked, do, you, no, who, this, box, belongs, belongs, TO, THE, the, SHOPKEEPER, shopkeeper, LOOKED, looked, AT, at, IT, it, CAREFULLY, carefully, AND, and, SUDDENLY, suddenly, REMEMBERED, remembered, SEEING, seeing, THE, the, SAME, Sam, BOX, box, MANY, many, YEARS, years, AGO, ago. He asked, do you know who this box belongs to? The shopkeeper looked at it carefully and suddenly remembered seeing the same box many years ago. He, told, Arjun, THAT, that, it, MIGST, might, BELONG, belong, TO, ANN. He told Arjun that it might belong to an old, TEACHER, teacher, NAMED, named, MR, Mr, SHARMA, Sharma, Mr. Sharma, WHO, LIVED, lived, in a, SMALL, small, HOUSE, house, NEAR, near, THE, the, RIVER, river. Old teacher named Mr. Sharma, who lived in a small house near the river. Arjun, THANKED, thanked, THE, the, SHOPKEEPER, shopkeeper, AND, and, IMMEDIATELY, immediately, went, TO, THE, the, TEACHERS, teachers, HOUSE, house. Arjun thanked the shopkeeper and immediately went to the teacher's house. WHEN, when. ARJUN, Arjun. REACHED, reached. THERE, there. He. SAW, so. THE, the. When Arjun reached there, he saw the old, TEACHER, teacher, SITTING, sitting, OUTSIDE, outside, AND, and, LOOKING, looking, WORRIED, worried. All teachers sitting outside and looking worried. ARJUN, Arjun. SHOWED, showed. Him. THE, the. WOODEN, wooden. BOX, box. AND, and. ASKED, asked. if, if, it, belonged, belonged, to, him. Arjun showed him the wooden box and asked if it belonged to him. The, teacher, teacher, became, became, very, very, surprised, surprised, and, happy, happy. The teacher became very surprised and happy. He, quickly, quickly. Stood, up. And, said. Yes, yes. This. Is. My. Box. Have. Been. He quickly stood up and said, yes, this is my box. I have been. Searching. For. It. Since. Morning. Searching for it since morning. The. Teacher. Opened. Opened. The. Box. With. His. Old. Key. The teacher opened the box with his old key. Inside. The. Box. Were. Many. Old. Photographs. Photographs. Letters. Letters. And small. Small. Notebook. Inside the box were many old photographs, letters, and a small notebook. There. Was. Also. Old. Photographs. Of. The. Teacher. With. His. There was also an old photograph of the teacher with his. Students. From. Many. Years. Ago. Students from many years ago. The. Teacher. Became. Emotional. Emotional. When. He. So. The. photographs, photographs, because, because, they, reminded, reminded, him, o of, his, younger, younger, days, and, the, students, he, had, taught. The teacher became emotional when he saw the photographs because they reminded him of his younger days and the students he had taught. He, thanked, thanked, Arjun, again, again, and, again, for, returning, returning, the, Arjun again and again for returning the, box, he, told, Arjun, that, he, could, have, kept, the, box, but, instead, he, chose, to, find, its, honor, and, that, should, that, he, was, honest, boy. Box, he told Arjun that he could have kept the box, but instead he chose to find its owner, and that showed that he was an honest boy. Arjun, smiled, smiled, and said, my, parents, parents, always, tell, me, that, should, never, take, something, that. Arjun smiled and said, my parents always tell me that we should never take something that, belongs, belongs, to, someone, else, belongs to someone else, only, did, what, THEY, they. TAUGST, taught. ME, me. I only did what they taught me. THE, the. TEACHER, teacher. WAS, was. VERY, very. HAPPY, happy. TO, to. HEAR, here. THIS, this. AND, and. GAVE, gave. ARJUN, Arjun. ANN, OLD, old. STORY, BOOK, storybook. As, a. GIFT, gift. The teacher was very happy to hear this and gave Arjun an old storybook as a gift. He. TOLD, told. HIM, him. THAT, that. THE, the. BOOK, book. CONTAINED, content. MANY, many. WONDERFUL, wonderful. STORIES, stories. AND, and. HOPED, hoped. THAT, that. ARJUN, Arjun. WOULD, would. LEARN, learn. He told him that the book contained many wonderful stories and hoped that Arjun would learn. SOMETHING, something. GOOD, good. FROM, from. THEM, them. Something good from them. ARJUN, Arjun. THANKED, thanked. THE, the. TEACHER, teacher. AND, and. RETURNED, returned. HOME, home. BEFORE, before. IT, it. BECAME, became. DARK, dark. WHEN, when. HE, he. REACHED, reached. Something good from them. Arjun thanked the teacher and returned home before it became dark when he reached. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी है तो आज की क्लास को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और एक प्यारा सा कमेंट जरूर कर देना। मिलता है अगली क्लास में।